In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course in Squarespace. It's an easy process that can be done in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, start by navigating to the Squarespace website. When you're on the homepage, you will see the login button in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on login. This will guide you to the next screen where you're prompted with several sign-in options. Choose continue with Google. Here, you'll need to select the Google account associated with your Squarespace account. Simply click on it and you'll be seamlessly directed into your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your current websites. Click on the one where you want to create your course. Once you're inside your chosen site dashboard, it's time to begin editing. You'll want to navigate to a specific section of your site by clicking on the Edit button. This will take you into the editing mode, where you'll have access to different features and functionalities to customize your site. Now let's add some blocks to structure your course content. Look for the Add Block option. It's generally simple to spot. Click on it and a range of block options will appear. From this list, you need to find and select the accordion block. The accordion block is a great tool for organizing content into expandable and collapsible sections, which is ideal for presenting modules or sections of a course in an interactive manner. With the accordion block now added to your page, your next step is to click on the pencil icon. This icon signifies that the block is editable and will allow you to dive deeper into customizing each section of the accordion. Once in the editing mode, go ahead and click on Accordion Item 1. This item acts as your first module or section in the course. In the text field that appears, you'll want to type in the title of your course. The title should be informative and engaging, capturing the essence of what learners can expect. Following the title input, you'll notice another area for text just below. This is where you'll type in the content of your course. This section is essential as it provides an overview or detailed content for the course module, so make sure your descriptions are clear and comprehensive. After you've input the title and content, ensure everything looks right and is positioned correctly. There, you've successfully created a course module inside your Squarespace site. Don't forget to save your changes and preview them to see how it looks from a visitor's perspective. With these steps, you've not just added content, but successfully structured it in a way that's conducive to learning. You're all set to deliver a successful learning experience through your Squarespace website.